I'm meteorologist Chris Hours. Today is Thursday, April 22nd. Let's talk a little bit about the upcoming hurricane season. I want to focus on this developing El Nino. There's been a lot of chatter about it, so I want to make sure you guys understand what it is and what it potentially means over the next few months here, especially during the heart of hurricane season. Now, El Nino is just simply a part of the ENSO cycle. There's a counterpart, La Nina. The La Nina usually produces pretty active hurricane seasons across the Atlantic Basin, but the El Nino tends to do the opposite because it increases wind shear in the Caribbean and the Gulf. Sort of gives you a protective shield, if you will. Right? So we have that going in our favor right now. That's part of the reason why Colorado State, as well as the National Hurricane Center, among others, have all come out with lower numbers than what we have seen in years past. Now look at the ocean temperatures. You see that big red blob off the coast of the Carolinas. Okay, that is warmer than normal water that stretches from the Bahamas north of Bermuda. I'm not too concerned about that, even though your eyes immediately go to that and you think, oh my gosh, look how warm this water is already. The reason why I'm not too concerned is because as far as latitude is concerned, you can see how far to the north this area, this blob of warm water is. And so it's in a spot where a lot of times, even if something were to develop, it would get caught up in the upper level steering winds, siphon north or northeast, and push away from the U.S. mainland. So as long as that blob does not expand southward, we should be in good shape. And then the third thing that I want to point out is across the MDR, the main development region, look at all that blue. The MDR stretches from the coast of Africa west to the Leeward Islands. It's this part of the Atlantic where you tend to get your big hurricanes, the kind that you're tracking for days, sometimes a week or more. It's that part of the Atlantic where you get your Category 3s, your Category 4s, your Category 5s. So we're always watching that part of the Atlantic come September and October. And as long as that water stays below normal, we should be in good shape there too. So if the El Nino comes on, it produces the wind shear, should help to suppress numbers. As long as that warm blob off the coast of the Carolinas doesn't expand, we should be okay, because even if something were to develop there, it would likely lift north and away from the U.S. mainland. And as long as the MDR stays below normal, we should be okay there too, because tropical systems would have a difficult time developing with cooler than normal waters in place. All right, that's going to do it for me. I'll see you guys tomorrow.